Let's get started. Email marketing, it's a great way to increase your sales for very little cost and keep people coming back to your website. First email they're going to get is going to be the confirmation email. They always forget this one, but there are things you can add to it that really help. Structure. Remind them why they signed up. Bonus content in the email. Give them some extras. Make it specific to your business and on the same topic. Delivery emails. This is where you'll give them what they signed up to get. All you have to do is give them what they want and use this structure. You want to reward their action and risk of signing up. Remind them why they wanted to download this product. Remind them of the goal that they're going to achieve, and then give them the link and just a little heads up of what's coming up in the next few emails. Up next, you want to send them a welcome email. We send this an hour after the delivery email. It's just a brief introduction, welcome, a little bit about your business, and the kind of help you can offer them. Give them a hug. We're all friends here. It's just a simple welcome. Want to be excited? Want to lead them somewhere else, like to your Facebook group? Offer them a welcome pack, extra FAQ section, answer some questions they might have, offer more value, more posts, and more content that they'll enjoy reading. Just reach out to them as a human. Up next, you want to send value stack emails. These are content that they'll love. Use this structure. Sell the content to them. Focus on a hook, fear of loss, gain, or goals, logic or social proof. Focus on a message. Give them a promise. Talk about a problem. Myths about the problem. Goals they can achieve, beating this problem, and the actions to take to solve this problem. Remember to check your links in every email before you send it. Make sure they're not broken. Keep the message relevant to what they've previously seen. Up next, now we're talking about making money. This is your upsell emails. Use this structure. Your subject line sets the tone of the whole email and whether or not they'll open it and read it. It's essential in a sales letter to have super subject lines that get people excited or questioning. We're only trying to help, that's all. You're solving a problem, you're making a promise. Same as all the other emails, you talk about myths, changing world, and new solutions. Learn to love sales letters. That's how you will make your money in this business. Here are 16 email marketing weapons that really help in this campaign. Understand what subject lines are. They are just to get someone to read. Use emotional language to get people to open emails. Ask a question. Choose a psychological hook and stick with it. Is this message going to be about fear of loss? Fear of ego damage? You can start it out saying you've lied to them or they've been lied to. Talk about something they're going to gain. Talk about everyone else is doing it, so you should too. Or the opposite, everybody's doing it, so you should stop. Keep it short, 2 to 3 paragraphs maximum in each email. You don't want to give them too many options. Number 4, follow up as soon as you can. Number 5, it's okay to send different emails selling the same thing. Use different messages one after the other by altering how you're talking about the same thing. Same goes for content. You can send the same thing again, but come at it from a different angle. In all your emails, you want to be conversational. Use language that sets you apart and makes your emails interesting to read. Just be. Number 9, sign up to the free email a week service we have. Brand new email to use in your email marketing every week. Number 10, you can reuse the same email structures over and over. People don't remember what they've read, they remember how they felt. So just change the emotions that they're feeling in each email. Use this pattern. Set up the intrigue, reveal a result or a surprise, offer a solution, and always have a call to action to get them to do something. Sign up, visit your website again, call you. Only one call to action per email is best. Too many choices and nobody does anything. If you're struggling for content to send older blog posts or other people's content. As long as it's valuable, people will enjoy reading it. Here's the tip: write your seasonal emails at one time. You don't have to wait till the last minute. Get them all done, they'll be set and ready to publish. No stress. Don't worry about images and emails. They really aren't useful. It won't make much difference. Number 15, invest $10 a month and get a MailChimp autoresponder. It's affordable, easy to use, and it's really simple to automate all your email sending. You don't want to have to send each email one at a time. Always remember, sending something is better than nothing. Even a buy this product now is better than not sending anything. You have to stay at the top of their mind by sending frequent emails. If you wait 3 months, they will forget you and unsubscribe instantly. Here's a bonus: 17, use your sales emails. You can use them as blog posts.